Hey, what's going on YouTube? So here I am today. I am at a school right over here. This is a pretty new build, I believe late 2017, September 2017 it opened. So summer holidays right now, so nobody's around. The place is empty. Figured it looked pretty good, and I will just go exploring with the drone. So with yeah, let's go head it out. So let's go check it out. Alright, so we put it into airplane mode. I'm going to put the screen recording on. Open the app. Yeah, compass, calibrate.
ADI mode.
Okay, we need to go back into obstacle avoidance. Turn that back on. I was messing around with that. Change the exposure. ISO 100. Press record. And let's go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So straight away I see something with these two trees. Let's go back. And now let's go towards the building, past the trees. To the right a little. And up. Up and over. Move it over to the left. Let's put the camera back where it was. And I may do a bit of yaw to the left. Let's just see what this building looks like. Gonna keep it nice and smooth. Okay, that's yaw to the left. Looking for something in the foreground. We got a fence there we can use. How close are we to the corner? So we can go down some, make sure there's nothing underneath us. And we're going to go over to the... See, the gimbal is doing something wrong. See the gimbal? That is not right. There's a gimbal error there. Camera is not responding to the tilting. Okay, let's bring it home. Let's land this baby, see what the problem is. Maybe take off the filter. Gimbal motor overload, now it's telling me. Alright, stop recording. Let's take a look. So, the wasp in the way. Get out of here, wasp. Could have been something stuck, some sand. That looks better. It was a little bit, something was holding it there, so I think that should be good. Let's check it out. Seems okay. Let's go. I guess we can test the camera right here. Let's just lift it up, lift off a little bit. Okay, test out the camera. Okay, let's give that a shot. Let's go back to where we were. No, sporty mode. Sports mode is so fast. Okay, start recording. You go a little further back. Okay, so I'm going to be moving to the right and then yawing to the left. Nice steady movement. Let's go back a bit because I changed the camera, raised the camera up a little bit there. Let's do that again. It's too fast. Okay, that's going to be fine for that shot. Now I'm going to go over to the above. Change the exposure a little bit. Let's put it onto ISO 200. I could have changed that in post, but I want this detail. Let's come right onto the pathway. Go down a little more. Okay, and I'm just going to go straight all the way in, and then hopefully raise up above the glass at the end there. Making small corrections with the yaw. Okay, now I'm going to start going up. I'm going to stop the yaw there. That's enough there. Next I'm just going to move it to the right and forward. Just until I go past the name of the school. Then I'm going to start turning the yaw to the left. Okay, that's good. Let's go around the back of the building here, around the side. Maybe coming down slightly. Surprised there's no solar panels. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to go over to the other corner. Again, making sure I'm not crossing the road. So I'm going to go right to the end of the parking lot here. Right about there, should be fine. Now we'll turn it around, tilt down a little maybe. There's me. There's the school. Doesn't look quite as nice on this side. Pan to the left. So this will be bringing the drone over towards me. I'll start turning the yaw once I get there. Over to the right. It looks nice. Keep that going for a second. Let's go a bit further back. and up. That should be good. And now I'm going to come forward and down. Battery's going to start giving me a warning error soon. Bring this in right to the yellow windows. Oh, there's somebody there, look. There's somebody on a bicycle. Alright, so I'm gonna stop recording, bring it home, and change the battery if I have time.
On the